This is Huma Siddiqui from Sir Syed Children's Academy. How are you all? I hope you people are enjoying these video classes at your home. So, for keeping in touch with us, must like and subscribe our channel and share our videos as well. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notifications for upcoming videos. As you can see, we have lecture number 4 of grade 6. And our today's lecture is going to be very easy and interesting. So, let's begin.
So here we are going to get started our topic. Before we begin, let's have a look on the learning objectives of this topic. As you can see, by the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand about noun numbers, and you will be able to know about singular and plural numbers of noun. You will be able to know rules of making noun, and you can make your plurals. You will be able to do right use of singular and plurals. What are basically noun numbers? As you can see, in our conversation and daily routine, we use some singular and plural forms of noun. There are two ways to use nouns in our daily conversation. We use two states of noun. One is singular and the other is plural. Now, let's move on to the next slide to have definitions of singular and plural. Here you can see we have definitions of singular and plural. Singular refers to a single number or one number of nouns. For example, she has a book. Here, a book means single or one book. The other definition is of plural. Plural refers to more than one numbers of nouns. For example, she has 10 books. Here, 10 is the plural form and books means it's plural. So, 10 is a plural form. Let's move on to the next slide. Dear students, there are several rules of making plurals. But in today's class, we are going to just discuss rule number 1 to 8. And you will know further about it in my next video. But before we begin, let's have some rules of making plural. Rule number 1. This rule identifies about the nouns which end on s, ss, ch, sh or x. Dear students, we have some nouns that end on these letters. So must remember the nouns which end on s, ss, ch, sh or s. So for forming these plural, we have to add es at the ending of these nouns. Let's have some examples. Now see, here we have examples. Watch means a single watch. Watches, plural. Bush, singular. Bushes, plural. Fox, singular. Foxes, plural. So you can see watch, bush and fox, they are ending on ch, sh and x. Let's move on to rule number 2. So this is rule number 2. Nouns ending with a consonant plus o. Dear students, must remember we have many nouns which end on o. But before o, there must be consonant. Consonant means except to vowels. So if the word ends on consonant plus o, so their plurals will be made by adding es at the ending. Let's move on to have some examples. Okay, now here we have some examples. Torpedo, singular. Torpedoes, plural. Mosquito, singular, and mosquitoes, plural. Now dear students, focus a thing. Before o, in torpedo there is d, and in mosquito there is t. So d and t are consonant. That's why we added es to form their plurals. But some exceptional cases doesn't accept these rules. So like piano, pianos. Here we have rule number 3. Nouns ending with o plus vowel. So in last slide we did rule o with consonant and this is o with vowel. Must remember if there is vowel before O. So we will add just S to form their plural. Let's have some examples. This is radio. You can see before O there is I, and I is a vowel. So we added just S to form its plural. Rule number 4. Nouns ending in Y. Their plurals are formed by dropping Y from the singular and then adding IES. However, if there is a vowel before Y, so just add S to form its plural. Dear students, we have many nouns which end on Y. But must remember, if there is any vowel before Y, so we will have to just add S to make its plural. And if we don't have any vowel before Y, so we add IES to form its plural. Let's have some examples like cherry, cherries, key, keys. So just feel the difference over here. Before Y in cherry there is R, and R is a consonant letter. So we added IES to form its plural. But in keys before Y there is E, and E is a vowel. So we added S to form its plural. I have written this explanation as well so that you can read and understand it more. Let's move on to the rule number 5. Students, this rule is also I hope you have done in your previous class. So let's have a review. Nouns ending in F or FE. Several nouns end on F or FE. So if we want to form their plural, what we do? We skip F or FE and add VES to form its plural. But if there are double F, so we don't do this. We just add S to form its plural, like giraffe, giraffes. Let's have some examples. Dear students, we have some nouns that may have both cases. Like we can add either VES or we can add S to form its plural. Like hoof, singular, hoofs, plural, or hooves, plural. We can add VES or just S to form hoof, plural. Loaf, singular, loaves, plural. Dwarf, singular, dwarfs, plural. Now same as hoof, in dwarf we can add either VES or we can add just S to form its plural. Rule number 6. Plural forms of compound nouns. Dear students, you all are well aware about compound nouns. Compound means mixture of two words or two nouns. So how do we form their plurals? We add S to the nouns or head words to form their plural. I have some examples here for you. Father-in-law, it's singular and compound word as well. So if we want to form its plural, we added S in father. The next is mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Girl in charge, singular, girls in charge, plural. So for forming the plural of compound words, we have to add S in the head words or the nouns. Rule number 7. Plural forms of numerals and abbreviations. Dear students, you must know numerals are numbers, means 20s, 90s, these all are called numerals. So if we want to form plural of the numerals, we add S but with apostrophe. Like here is example. The 2020s is the most depressing year for the human health. As you can see, 2020 is now today's we have this pandemic disease and everyone's health is getting weaker. So 2020s is the most depressing year for the human's health. The second is abbreviation. Abbreviation means shortened form of any word. VC means Vice Chancellors. Now this is the 8th and the last rule of today's video, which is rule number 8. Nouns ending in US. Dear students, several nouns end on US. So how do we form their plural? We form their plural by dropping US, means we cut US from the noun and then we add I instead of US. For example, stimulus, stimuli, focus, foci, cactus, cacti, syllabus and syllabi. So, these are the nouns of US. Okay dear students, I hope you understood today's topic and inshallah we will continue this in our next lecture. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay connected. Allah Hafiz.